All right, I wanted to do a quick update, a quick garden update. Here are my Siamese squash growing lovely. I don't know what type of squash this is because they're so much yellow. Like they're like a mustard color, and these ones are like yellow. Oh, I think I should have been picked this one. Oh no, it's fine. So those ones are like yellow. Then my beets, my one carrot. I hate touching these leaves. Yay! You guys see my one carrot? I don't know when I'm gonna pick that because yeah. And then I have two little jalapenos growing. My other tomato plants, I mean not tomato, but my other pepper plants. This is cayenne. This one is purple beauty. This is the one that I was most excited about, to see what it looks like and to see what it tastes like. But yeah, let's see. This is bell pepper, and apparently I didn't put a stick in there. This one is cayenne as well. This is okra. All of these are okra. I can care less about okra. I don't like it. This back here is okra as well. But these tomatoes, you guys, number one, this tomato plant is huge. And number two, oh, this thing is so big. I have so many tomatoes growing. I can't remember the name of this tomato plant. This is Sweet 100 Cherry. Oh, one of them dropped. Oh well. And my onions. I'm just now seeing these ones. Okay. Making sure none of those green bugs are on here that like to eat tomato plants. I forget what they're called. Like, yeah, no, I don't know. So I had another one of these. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna have tomatoes forever. I'm gonna have tomatoes for days. I have more squash. Oh, I hate touching these ones, but you guys see that down there. And that over there is, no, it ain't growing. I might have to bring this one out. It's not doing that well back there, so I might have to bring that one out. This is either zucchini or squash. Oh, I hate touching these. This one is zucchini. This is cauliflower. I might as well just give up on that. Cucumber plants. Well, whatever. I think I'm about to move some stuff because I'm under the impression that they're not getting enough sun. So I might be moving some stuff. I keep trying to convince my sister to get rid of this trampoline because none of the kids get on anymore. What else is over here? This is more squash. I think all of these are squash. This is just a marigold because whatever was in here, the squash, died. More tomato plants. They are very thirsty. I'm probably about to water everything. I thought we were supposed to get some rain, but we're not. Oh, look at that big old zucchini, y'all. What's going on with you? Oh, bless your heart. That one. Can you guys see it? Probably about to pick this one. Yeah, that came off pretty easy. Oh yeah, y'all, I'm about to be eating good. Let's see what else is back there. Nothing on that plant. I feel like I got stuff too crowded. Oh, there's another zucchini. That one don't look right. That one looks crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna pick the zucchini, and I am going to pick some squash because I have squash everywhere. Is this the one? Oh, I wanted to pick this zucchini too, I think. Let me see if it comes off easily. Nah, it's not gonna come off easily, so I'm gonna leave it. But I am going to pick this one. Not the ants on it. Get off of here. Pick that one. Yeah, I feel like I need to move stuff. I wonder if the Siamese one is done. Yeah, it looks like it. Maybe I can get this one. I'm gonna just go ahead and take it off. Yeah. I mean, it's coming off. It's not coming off easily, but it's coming off. I'll just go ahead and pick that one. You guys see like the different colors? It's crazy. I don't know why it's like that. Don't know why. If you guys know why, let me know. But I'm pretty sure I bought all of the same squash. Maybe I didn't. I'll have to see if I can find some tags. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and move some stuff. Oh, I gotta show you guys the watermelon. I have a watermelon back here as well. I don't know what's gonna happen with these watermelon. My sister and her dead plants. I always want her dead plants by mine. My growing plants. Listen, I can't with her. But yeah, that is what the garden is looking like. Again, I feel like I have now that they're all growing, I feel like I have them way too close. So I am about to move some stuff. Yeah, if she could just get rid of this, I'm about to convince her, like, we need to get rid of this trampoline, mommy. Like, no one gets on it anymore. It's taking a space where we could be actually growing stuff. Oh, hey, the cucumber's growing. Yay. All right, trying to think what I'm gonna do. Let me go ahead and start moving some stuff. So I was just moving stuff, of course, and this guy started jumping, and yeah, that's the reason why I just screamed. Scared the crap out of me. All right, so I feel like that gives all of the plants a little more breathing room. Tomatoes are sort of still close together, but you know, I'm only working with so much space. I gave all of the squash room. Cucumber has room, and I feel like they're gonna get more sun now too. So everything is looking good. I forgot to show you guys my lettuce. So look at this, y'all. Your girl is doing good this year. But no, look at my Simpson black seeded lettuce and my romaine lettuce. Go girl, go. We ain't even gonna talk about these ones back, because I don't know why they on a struggle bus, other than they're being covered by the leaves of the potato and they're not getting enough sun. That's the only thing I can think of. But yeah, grapes. Let's see if anything ate the grapes. I don't know where that cluster was. I guess something ate it. I don't know. I mean, I wasn't expecting to get anything from it anyway, so does it really matter? Yeah, no, they're gone, I guess. I'm assuming that they're gone. Yeah, how exciting. Oh, I forgot to say. So this stuff right here is like more so cool weather stuff. So I left it over here because I'm thinking there's not enough. I mean, there's sun coming over here, but not enough for these other plants. So yeah, I just moved that stuff and left the, well, I moved, no, I take that back. I had moved some of this stuff over here because the beets, you guys know the beets were more so in front of the greenhouse. Now they're not. What else is there to talk about? I don't know. That's all I have. That is all I have, you guys. I'm super excited about this summer garden. It's still like in the 70s here, which is so crazy. But hey, I'm not complaining because we haven't had that many bugs. I am not even going to complain. Do bugs like to crawl on squash? Someone has said something about some squash bugs. I remember you saying that. Can't remember your name, but I remember reading something about some squash bugs. And I'm like, ugh, a bug want to crawl. Well, there we go right there. Because I cannot stand the way these plants feel. Like they feel so awful. I'm happy. I'm so proud of my garden this year, y'all. So proud of it. Like, seriously. I am so proud of it. Now I'm about to FaceTime my friend and see if she wants any zucchini or squash or lettuce. We shall see. Anyways, you guys, thank you guys so very much for joining me today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Sorry, I was walking towards the AC unit. I don't know what it's called, but y'all know. Anyways, you guys, see you in the next one. Bye. So I am so happy. I still have some collard seeds. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my last post to, I think it's called my community tab. I don't know, but go check it out. So I'm just happy that I have this little bit left of collard seeds.